crystal ball, adrift aware of it all. Just squares and circles.
When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off.